Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, we will check the next feature of the HR module, which is the Employee module. When we go to Employee module, we can see all the employees listed here. We can sort it out based on management, professional services, or research and development team. We also have a feature in this view where we can see all the details, the manager, etc. If you click on the employee list, you can see all the employee data like company, management, position, consultancy, work datas, everything. You can view the certifications, personal details, payroll details, and other additional settings. You can also add or edit these rows. And there is also an option to schedule an activity. Scheduled activities can be seen in the overview. Now, I am going to schedule an activity. We can add the details here and schedule an activity. In the graphic view, we can see all the details. There is an option to export the content and add it here. Next, we have the departments. Here we can see all the departments, the new applicants, etc. For example, expenses is here under management. We can check that directly from here. Also, time of request, allocation request, and appraisals. Under the time of request, this is how we can check it from here. And then under the management section, we can see all the activities. There are 2 employees. We can see all the details here. We can also create a new department directly from here, then assign a manager, add the parent company, and also we can add a specific color. Next, we can see the HR department. Here you can see all the employees. We can also download the attendance report, expense report, and timesheets. Also, we can export these things from here. So if you need details for expenses, you can check it here. We can also check the main skill history and all these details. We can check the skill type, skill level, etc. from here. We have another feature called Learning. First, we have the certification. So if you have updated any skills, you can update it here. You can save the data and see all the details here. Next is the training attendance. This is the details of training attendance. You can check the attendance and also you can create a new one. Then, you can upload the documents directly and save it here. Also, we have on-site and learning courses. You can check that here. This is the primary, so that we do not reveal details. But these features, everything can be seen here. Here you can create a new one. You can search in the database, the certification. If you want to add a description, you can type it here and add the responsible person. You can check it from here and also the course level. You can add these things here. If anyone with the link can access the course, or if you have signed it, they can add the course attendance details. You can just click on that on invitation or on payment, and we can check the courses. E-learning courses are available. Here you can check the certification and other details. Next, we have reporting. Here you can check the type of skills. If you have any skill in French language, you can check it from here. If you have the English language skill, you can check it from here. If you are looking for a software person or those who have any leadership skills, you can check it from here. You can download the employee skill list reports from here. Skills in programming language. What type of skill is there, etc. You can search it from here. Also, you can select the employees who have any specific skills. There are also certifications, which means you can check the employees who are already certified. Next is configuration. Under configuration, we have onboarding, offboarding, work locations, working schedules, and all those things. In offboarding, we can update the activities to be organized. The basic things of offboarding items we can create here. What are the activities including the offboarding plan? We can also set up the team materials for the training under the employee plan. Next, we can add the work location. So, if you need to create a new work location, you can add the location accordingly. Next, we have working schedules. You can create the working schedules here, update them, or if you need any new item, you can add it here. If you need to create a new working schedule, You can create it here. You can add any new details you. We also have the departure reasons. We can create the departure reasons here. From here, you can create the new skill types. So if you create skill types, you can add the skills and the skill level. You can also check the IT types. If you need any new IT, you can add it here. Next, you can add workers' compensation here. Workers' compensation is the compensation rate. You can add it here. Next, let's look at the job positions. If you need to create a job position, you can create a new one from here. Then there are contract templates. For example, for the developer, you can assign a template here. And the department also you can assign from here. For wages, you can select the wage type from hourly wages or fixed wages, monthly, half a year, quarter, or anything. You can put it here, and you can type the wages like $5,000 per month, whether it's permanent or hourly or salary. For the category, you can select worker or anything for the employee. The yearly post will also be uploaded here, and development resources will be here. You can also add health benefits. You can create these contract types of templates from here, and you can assign them to the template site. Next is badges. You can create badges here. You can also create the challenges from here. Add the conditions and you can save it. These are the challenges we have already created for user. So we can create these types of challenges from here. Next, we have Goals History. You can check the goals history. From here, you can check the details of the goals they have achieved in the contents from here. Next is the settings. These include company working hours, the contract expiration notice period, etc. Also, you can add the work from an expiration. You can add the salary package configurator and the compensation for the extra time off allocation. Add all this and save it. That's all about the basic configurations that come under the Employee module. Thank you for watching. We will be back soon with another informative video.